Who couldn't use a little more energy? I know I can. With that in mind, we're headed to Enliven Wellness to see what they could offer to help. All right, Dr. Leonetti, we're doing something cool right now.
Yeah.
So what are we doing?
So we got a lot of patients that come in for fatigue or some chronic health issues, and their body just needs support. It's just energetically weak. You're just deprived on the mitochondrial level. So we have a lot of therapies that we can do at one time to help basically juice a person back up, so that they can feel better and their body can start healing itself again. It's as if you have a house and you have $100,000 to remodel it, but the whole thing needs redone, and you can only put so much into the drywall or the roof. But now we're just going to flood it with hordes of cash in the form of energy and let your body heal itself up. So in this case, we have a couple different therapies going on here. Right here, we're going to run a microcurrent. This thing looks like it's a TENS unit, but it's not. It runs different frequencies in the body. So in her case, we're going to run the vagus energy. So there's a vagus nerve that runs from the gut up to the brain, covers a lot of the visceral systems. So we're just giving our body a little more energy with the vagus nerve to help strengthen that up. And it's not a therapy that you really feel. It runs the current. So do you feel anything with it?
Not yet.
Nah. Yeah, it's like I said, it's not like a TENS. You don't really feel the stimulation with it.
And she's sitting under a red light.
Sitting under a red light. I love the red light. We use it with a laser too. This is an LED. Red light just helps to infuse the body with a lot of energy. You have these chromophores that are kind of like solar panels on each of your cells. So we're just basically giving the body all these free energy. We've kind of amplified it though. We have a couple of vials in there. If we can send information to the body and send energy, let's send a little information with it. So I think in this case, we're going to just help her immune system and nervous system a little bit with those vials.
And they've also said to use red light to help sleep.
Yeah, red light is amazing. It helps with inflammation. It helps to reduce pain, improves recovery, even hair growth. So,
oh, nice.
Yeah, but talk about calming down the brain. It will definitely do that if you hit the right points in the body. We're also doing two other therapies here. We're running a PEMF device, and you're sitting on that. You can kind of hear a little clicking. This is kind of neat because you don't really feel it, but we can measure the energy coming out. And again, we kind of have it over this big bundle of enteric nerves to help energize the system with that one. And this is one of the things I get the most questions about. We're doing an ion cleanse foot bath. It will actually help detoxify your system. And the water's going to turn brown and bubbly, and we'll see those little floating things on there. But the reality is you urinate out the toxins. It doesn't really pull out, but that will turn all kinds of colors, and sometimes it'll turn green, or we'll get black flecks.
Have you ever had someone so clean with no toxins their water didn't turn brown?
No.
Okay, so everybody would benefit from this.
Everybody does. After we've had people, and by their like 6th or 7th time they've done it, their water does kind of stay about that color.
Okay.
But we've had, I had one guy that had a hip replacement that went bad, so I've never seen so much black coming out of one of these things as when, he ran it pretty frequently, and it seemed to help him a lot with that one.
Wonderful. So now we're going to take a turn in the light booth, and what is this going to help with?
So red light's really good for decreasing inflammation, helping with pain. Actually helps to open up a lot of the tight muscles and tissues like that. And it helps to energize the system. So your body, again, just is low on energy. This is one way to charge it up. These are very bright, so when it hit the lights, you're going to see. It's going to kind of almost blind you. It's okay. It won't hurt your eyes.
Okay.
Normally we have people standing here with their shirt off, so you have skin, so we have as much on this one. But in the winter, we'll also use this to help deep heat the body tissues. So it feels really good. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on.
Okay. Sounds like we're going to take off.
Yeah. Can you feel the warmth with that?
I do feel the warmth,
Yeah.
yes. So this would help people who are sad in the winter, because you can come in here and get warm.
Yeah, you can sit down. We actually have a stool we bring in here, so it can definitely hit the face and the head a lot more.
How is this different than a sauna? Because it seems similar, but I'm not sweaty.
Yeah, so this will deep heat. The sauna will use, some of them will use infrared, some of them will just use a dry heat. So this also has the infrared. The difference is the coverage area. So this is going to cover just the tissue that the light's going to hit, where the sauna can get all the other areas and help you can sweat out a little bit more. This isn't going to get quite that hot as you would with the sauna.
And could kids come in here and do this if they can hold still?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. We'll have parents come in with the younger kids. We use it a lot after we do some sinus work because it'll help dry out the sinuses to one degree, and we have a lot of people do deep breathing exercises in here because you can feel how that heat feels good. You can do a nice box breathing and it'll really help open you up.